You may want to know how to unlock Samsung phone. Forgot password. If you're trapped by this issue too, well, just proceed through this video, for you will learn great methods to settle the matter here. Way 1. How to unlock Samsung phone forgot password via Android Unlock. Android Unlock, as its name suggests, is tailored to unlock lock screens for various Android phones. It helps remove all kinds of screen locks of your new and second-hand phone in minutes. Way 2. How to reset password on Samsung phone with Find My Mobile. You can also remotely unlock your Samsung device from the Find My Mobile website. Way 3. How to unlock Samsung password using Android Device Manager. If you have enabled the Android Device Manager feature on your Samsung phone, you can try to unlock the device in this way. Way 4. How to unlock a Samsung phone if forgot the password with Google account. For some old Samsung devices with Android 4.4 or lower, it's easy to unlock them via a Google account. Note, however, that you need to have a Google account associated with your device before it is locked. Way 5. How to get into a locked Samsung phone in safe mode. This approach only applies to Samsung users whose phone is locked by 3 third-party lock screen apps. Way 6. How to unlock Samsung phone if forgot password via custom recovery SD card required. Before the job, please ensure that you have a rough understanding of custom recovery and routing. Download pattern password disable. Zip on your PC. Have an SD card on your phone. Way 7. How to unlock Samsung phone forgot password using backup pin. Generally, the moment you enable the pattern lock on your Samsung phone, one security pin will be asked to input concurrently. So, this method apparently won't work if you forget the backup pin. Way 8. How to reset password on Samsung phone by factory reset. This procedure involves performing a factory reset, erasing the device's data, and setting up the phone again from scratch. That means resetting Samsung by factory reset would eventually wipe your Samsung phone